Hello everybody, we're back from Montana. Truck is washed and waxed and all cleaned and pretty. Still gotta unload the back end, but I'm back on this thing. If you can hear the generator running, the wife is getting the what you call it, the camper ready. So, but still gotta pick up some thinner sheet metal for that. We don't need to make that out of 3/16. It's just a cover at that point. It's no structural or rigiditize to it. Got some bandsaw blades, so we're gonna snip that, add this piece in here, maybe put the skag on. I got some grease zerks and a tap, so add grease zerks probably there, and I don't think we really need it anywhere else, but I'll add a grease zerks there. I'll add a couple of grease zerks up in here, right? I'll add a grease zerks on this, right? We got to schnippelate this down because remember, it hits, right? So we might snip on these bolts and shorten them up. Not 100% how we're gonna do that yet, but yeah, we're gonna do stuff and things. Probably gonna be really difficult to, yeah, it's gonna be very difficult. We're gonna have to take this thing 100% apart. Awesome. How much room? Oh, we could just put these bolts facing back into there and then we won't have to snip on them. I think we'll do that. Chain is still chaining. Motor, or everything's still, you know, rotating on it. I found some oil up there. So we got oil. I didn't record anything when I was in Montana because, well, it was nice and it was relaxing. And also, we had to cut the trip short. I probably would have recorded something. And we were gonna do some like long distance shooting. I brought some rifles with me. Rifles, some long shooting things with me. We were gonna do some long distance shooting, but we didn't because my daughter decided to smack her face on something and pretty much she's gonna lose a tooth, but it's there. I mean, she's just too scared to pull it out. Anyway, maybe grind down some ugly welds. Don't look at that. It's fine. It looks really good right there. Grind down some ugly welds. Snip, snip. Support skag. Still gotta get that. I gotta order the prop and whatnot, but still gotta get that prop instrumentation going. Make a cover for that. And we gotta figure out the trim situation. Still thinking on that. Still thinking that a electronic actuator right here, like a short electronic actuator just to push up on this plate would be money, but at the same time it would just have to push because I don't want it. I want this to be able to be free so it can you know what I mean? So when it's when you hit a stomp, it just does the thing. Oh, it looks way better in person than it does on camera, I can tell you that. It looks awkward like that. We need to cover that up. Might need to gusset that also. I don't know. We should probably gusset that, but how? How are we gonna gusset that? You know, right here? I don't know yet. It's pretty stout. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty stout. I mean, shit, it's 3/16 plate. But we should probably gusset it. I don't know. I'm throwing this together as I figure it out. I'm talking too much. I'm rambling. We should probably get to work. Okay. What's up, fellow bean flickers? We got something. Hopefully it works. The box is screwed. Just saying. It's a plasma cutter. Oh yeah, by the way, that fell off my sawhorse finally. Hopefully it doesn't fall off that. Pretty sure I screwed up my back picking it up. Yes, that's zero sugar. Zero sugar up here. A&W anyway is pretty decent. Yeah, I got some stuff. I got a drill bit because I'm gonna bore the inside of that out a little bit more. 1/16 drill bit. Yada yada yada. Bore it out. It's got a catch on it. Anywho, anyhow, we're gonna unbox this bitch. We're gonna see if it works. I'm in a great mood. Alright, we got her all plugged in. It's the same plug-in as my welder. Got her all hooked up. Not a decent display. The ground cable deck's pretty heavy. It's heavier than my Lincoln welder. Had to replace the air fitting back there. Came with some cheap Chinese junk. But yeah, we're gonna run it like this. I don't know, we're cutting 3/16 plate. Let's just go halfway, right? And see what happens. I don't know. We'll see. What's the air pressure? I should probably check that. What's the air pressure supposed to be at? Because I'm pretty sure my air compressor is set to 125 right now. Right. So here we go. Maybe. I don't know. Let's try it. Set you up. And somewhere that you're not going to start on fire. I gotta cut this thing out, right? I gave up on trying to cut it out. That's the piece for that. So let's see what happens here. What are you guys looking at? Can you see me? Can you see it? Okay, you can see it. I'm kind of excited. I wanted a plasma cutter for a long time. Oh, so wrong. Oh, you want wrong time. I don't know. Sure. Probably not. I don't know. It's been a long time since I've used one. Oh, it's cut. I just scar the shit out of my concrete too. I mean, it's almost cut all the way through. But yeah, just gotta hit that again. Obviously, it's not the prettiest cut in the world, you know. But it cut, and that's what I want. I want it to cut. That's gonna get broken out. Like that, it's cut out. It looks like trash, but it's cut out. I'm excited. My floor I need to make a table. I need the plasma cutting table now. $120 on Amazon. Yesweld cut 50. I don't know how to put links in the description, but there's $120. Worth it. So much worth it. Alright. We got this cleaned out. It's still ugly. I really don't care. Made our marks on here. That's where it's gonna go. Just like that. Now all that's gonna do is it's gonna hold this square. Alright. And then we gotta cut the skag out of that stuff. And then skag. Yeah. Fun stuff. We're gonna weld it on. Ta-da. Okay. We're gonna use the plasma cutter again. And we're gonna nip this off. Because we can. Oh, so much faster than using a grinder. So. Boom. Cut. Much good. So, welded. Cut. Now, we gotta address some saggage, right? We gotta put some gussets in there. So we gotta take the motor off, gusset this up so it's 90 degrees. Cut this off. It'll be much easy now. And then, yeah, cut a skag out. Still gotta do weird things with that. It's a longer process than I thought it was gonna be, that's for damn sure. But got a plasma cutter. That's pretty cool. I'm excited about that. Boom, gussets. Cut. Support. I'm gonna go eat dinner Sunday night. I gotta go to work tomorrow. Probably gonna rest up. We'll just pick this up where we left off next weekend. I got a bunch of videos backlogged, so yeah. I mean, obviously if you guys follow along, you know where we are during the 4th of July. Today's the 6th of July, so yeah. Next week it'll be, or the week after it'll be, you know, other things. You already know. I'm in the future. You're not. I'm in the future. I went 88 miles an hour. You didn't. Pick it up next weekend.